Hey, what's up, guys? So today we are at the Denver Museum Nature and Science. It's cold outside.
It's real cold. You guys do not want to be in this weather because I hate it.
So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Hopefully, you guys can enjoy. I'll try to take as much as I can. Look at the entrance, Alexa. Check it out. It's a T-Rex. Look, Michelle.
I know.
That's a big dinosaur, huh? It's called the T-Rex. You scared? Yeah, it's just bones. Let's see it.
If I was alive, if I was alive during that time, I would have been screaming.
What they say?
Nothing.
We're good? Okay. Let's go.
They're gonna change 2 different cards, so he didn't print me once. He gave me this.
Oh, that's a long neck. You want your neck that long? No?
Look, remember she said she was a dinosaur? Look, she's green.
Oh, she's green?
She said the dinosaur is coming out of her.
I know.
Oh, but that's just her artery, though.
And we were joking that she was born in an egg.
You're born in an egg, Michelle? Yeah? Alright, we gotta head to the Space Odyssey. That's probably one of my favorite parts. I don't know, I like the whole museum. The whole museum is pretty good, right? The dinosaurs. Here we go to the Space Odyssey. Space Odyssey.
Aquí atrás luego está mi... Who was the first man on Mars?
A butterfly, whatever that is.
That's not a butterfly.
It's over here.
That's a galaxy. That's a galaxy. That's how it looks.
Well, it looks like a butterfly.
Look. Let me scoot this way. It's another galaxy.
See, there's an astronaut.
That's another galaxy.
What is
That's a sunlight shadow, Amy. Hey, Alexa.
I want to see.
Yeah. A sunlight shadow. It looks like a face. Look. Yeah. Just a normal rock.
Behind it.
What is that?
That's like a small little satellite thing that they have. It's like a solar panel. Look.
I've heard that they put a camera in Mars.
That's how Mars looks.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Like that, all red. What did you say, Alexa?
That I've heard that on Mars they put like this little camera or something like that.
Yeah, they have cameras over there. Like little rotors, like the little remote control. Look, Alexa.
Big red spot there. This storm on Jupiter is so big, 3 Earths could fit inside of it. And it's been going on for hundreds of years now. It's actually getting a little smaller in recent years. There.
So that's Pluto, right?
There's just a bunch of them. And this is the best picture we have of Pluto. We sent the New Horizons spaceship on a flyby trip last year.
This is Mars.
Got Valles Marineris, Grand Canyon the size of the United States. These are Dursa. That's Olympus Mons, the biggest volcano in the solar system.
Which one?
The
That big one? Okay.
And then the ice caps too.
Huh.
Let's go to the top there.
Yeah. You think we'll get to Mars one day?
Oh, I hope so.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah. There is no dark side of the moon, contrary to popular music and beliefs. There's a far side of the moon that we never actually see, but the dark side is constantly changing. It has days just like the Earth does. The day of the moon lasts exactly a month. Comparison of all of them, that kind of looks interesting.
Hold on, come over here. You can see them from small to big.
We're going to spin around here for you. There you go.
So the yellow would be the sun. The big
yellow is
globe.
The sun, and then all that's the sun, and then the planets are the size they are compared to it. So Neptune and Uranus here, Saturn, Jupiter.
Good afternoon, Space Odyssey. Welcome to the Museum of Nature and Science. Right now, over at the Galaxy stage, we have one of the coolest shows in our whole museum. It's Mission Super Chill.
All right, so what is it like on Pluto? Well, Christy, what experience do you have for us?
Well, let me tell you a little bit. We're going to use some liquid nitrogen. I've got my safety gear on. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my liquid nitrogen in my glass door. So we are going to go ahead and take a temperature real quick to see just how cold it is. 324 degrees below zero. That's pretty cold, isn't it? But I got to tell you something, it's not a cold day on Pluto. That would be a warm day on Pluto. Screen, if that's okay. I'll talk about it and I'll give it a click. Alrighty, so I've got my nitrogen going here, creating my geyser right here on the surface of Space Odyssey. And there you go. That's it. This is Mission Super Chill. Thanks for being with us today. Love having you at the museum.
Hey girls, what did you guys think of Pluto?
I thought it's really, really cool. On the mapping,
Está bien helado, ¿verdad? Está bien frío.
it was like negative something.
Negative 320, no, 24? Yeah, negative 324. Look, gems and minerals. Yeah, let's go look at the rocks.
Alexa, oh, Michelle's favorite thing.
Yeah, rocks.
What's this?
It's like glass, huh?
But that one. That's the magnet. I want it.
That's what?
Like it sticks things together.
Oh, okay. What is that, Michelle?
Did you say it's like we're going into a mine?
Huh? Crystals?
Look at that deep
That is
dark
cool, huh?
cave.
Look how
at that
big they are over
dark,
there.
dark cave. Look at that deep dark cave.
You know where this cave is from?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know.
It says up there. Look.
Look.
A ver.
They have crystals.
There's crystals. A ver. That one's a nice one. Look, better. Want me to cut a piece of it and give it to you for your wedding ring?
Look at here. What's in there? What is it? It's a star cave.
It'd be so cool. So,
What is it? We should stick that right here. Okay, wait. I learned about Florida. I want to work it out.
yeah, so I said, look, my
For my favorite rocks in the whole wide world. Look at that one on the top. Whoa.
What is that? Is that gold?
Yes. Raisa, come here.
Yep, that's gold.
These are crystal rocks.
What do you want?
I want every single of these crystals.
You want every single one of those rocks?
Not everything, but some of them.
Which one you want? Which one you like the most? ¿Cuál te gusta más?
That one, 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 that one.
All of them,
that
of
one.
course. Oh man, it's a lot of rocks.
Those are crystal rocks.
Yep. Look at that green and blue one at the top, Michelle.
I want that one.
Nice, huh? That's from our home state, Chihuahua, Mexico.
Look at that big giant crystal rock.
Cálmate tú. Juárez queda en Chihuahua. A lot of crystals. Look at the big. Look at that picture up there, Michelle. Look at the guy. Look how big those crystals are. Yeah. You see him? Just look at it.
I am looking at it.
Just look at
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Can you just look at it?
I already.
Look at it. That's an awesome rock. Name is Mesolite. Oh, look at that. That stuffed animal, do you see it? Yeah. It's a topaz. That's nice.
To look for gold.
Yeah, all these nuggets are from, they're from here, from Colorado.
Yeah. They live here.
All of these are from Colorado.
Yeah.
These two over here, mira Michelle. All these are from Breckenridge, Colorado. All of them. All that's gold.
And
That's,
look at this.
look at that big piece right there. It's awesome. Okay, so this whole part where the animals is where me as a kid and my family would come when I have most of my memories here. Ooh, it's the same animals. I was like 8 years old when I was looking at all these. Come on, let's keep moving. Look at the buffalo. That guy got tipped over. No, just kidding. He's like that on purpose. And there's a big guy right there. Boom. Then we have some elk. It's a big dude, man. It's a big guy. These are bears from Chimney Rock, Colorado. Grizzly bear.
You can't pass them because they're bears. You can't pass
And then we have some other bears over here from Alaska. Go, Michelle. You got it.